Bike check. Today we're taking a look at my 2017 Giant Defy Advanced 1 full carbon with Ultegra group set, brakes, shifters, and chainring and cassette. It's 50/34 and 11/32 cassette on the rear. I've got Fulcrum Quattro Racing carbon wheels running Continental 5000 GP2s, I think they are, GP4s, whatever. I've got the SLR carbon handlebars, and the bike has roughly 40,000 miles. Gets ridden quite a bit. Today I've got it set up in the camera mode. On the front I've got a GoPro 10 mounted to the handlebars, and on the rear I've got an inexpensive Ekin HK6S. It has some limited stability control, but we're going to try out for the rear. I've got the Ergon carbon saddle, very comfortable. The power meters are by Pioneer. It's the dual leg 600S with the 600 computer as well, full color navigation screen. Everything is ready to go.
And now the all-important free hub saddle.